yesterday is still on this one. $666-9182. I think that says. Wait. 668-9182. I have to see it. I think that's listed on my website, but I can never be sure. So Prey was on one of these coin boxes on this carousel, and I have a photo of it somewhere. Somebody made off with the earpiece. I bet you there's a thriving black market in that stuff. Old payphone earpieces go for thousands of bucks a piece. It's supposed to be wind and rain later, but I think these are going to be pretty well sheltered from all that. And I'm just staring at this thing trying to find her. I remember it was very tiny. Maybe it wasn't on the coin box, maybe it was on this surface. But I remember thinking it was the coin box because that's what the conventional wisdom about her was, that she focused on the coin boxes. There's my card from yesterday, still there. 668-9177. This one's fully intact. Handpiece, that is. Handset. I don't remember ever seeing them on, but somebody chiseled at this one. These things are like fortresses. I mean, the fact that they're still out here fully intact, save for a couple of handsets, it says a lot about how.
It don't work.
Oh, I know.
It don't work. In the museum.
No, that's why I'm looking at them. Yeah, you don't find them too much anymore.
I've been there for like 30, 40 years, maybe.
Is that how long?
It's been about 40 years.
They look great though.
Way back in the 60s.
Wow.
Yeah, that's long.
That's a long time, man.
It's fascinating. People look at it, wow.
I know, it's like a museum piece. It's a museum piece.
That's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. No, thank you, though. I appreciate that. Yeah.
It's a landmark.
Exactly. It's exactly a historic landmark.
Landmark of antiquity.
An antiquity. That guy's funny. That guy's cool. All right, I'm not seeing her on this one either. I shouldn't make myself too present because they might start paying attention to this thing and take my cards away. It's really weird that I'm not seeing her because I'm positive I saw Prey on one of these things. Maybe it was on this surface, but like I say, you can be looking right at it and not know what you've got in front of you. That's a metaphor for life, right? Alright, I can't spend any more time on this. There's some cool detail. since known. That's probably the same guy I talked to last week who had some fun things to say about those phones, but he was probably just there. He was probably removing my cards. Damn it. Nice to know somebody's taking care of those things, though, for whatever value it brings.